एशिया की सबसे बड़ी मेटल फॉर्मिंग टेक्नोलॉजी प्रदर्शनी इम्टेक्स फॉर्मिंग 2026 इस जनवरी बेंगलुरु में दुनिया के तकनीकी दिग्गजों को एक मंच पर ला रही है। 21 से 25 जनवरी तक BIEC में होने वाला यह मेगा शो 20 देशों के 600 से ज्यादा प्रदर्शकों की अत्याधुनिक मैन्युफैक्चरिंग और फॉर्मिंग टेक्नोलॉजी को प्रदर्शित करेगा। इस बार साथ होंगी कई विशेष प्रदर्शनियां, टूलटेक, डिजिटल मैन्युफैक्चरिंग और वेल्ड एक्सपो, जहां दिखेंगी CAD CAM टूल्स, इंडस्ट्री 4.0 सॉल्यूशंस और नवीनतम वेल्डिंग इनोवेशन। इसके अलावा इंटरनेशनल सेमिनार ऑन फॉर्मिंग टेक्नोलॉजी, आइदो एकेडमिया स्क्वायर और जागृति IM TMA यूथ प्रोग्राम भी युवा इंजीनियरों और उद्योग विशेषज्ञों को नई दिशा देंगे।
IMTEX forming this year will be held in January. It will showcase metal forming technologies from all over the world. We have the players from Germany, South Korea, Japan, Taiwan, all multiple countries are exhibiting here. Typically, the IMTEX exhibition showcases the latest in the technology. So you can see the precision which can be achieved with the modern machines. You will get the updates and upgrades in terms of automation which is offered. Every technology is for improving the precision and quality and also the productivity. So automation is an integral part of it. AI also now is an integral part of it, and all this will be showcased in the exhibition here. Typically, exhibitions worldwide showcase whenever new technology is introduced. It is done at the exhibition because at one place you can show it to multiple end users. That is the importance of IMTEX forming.
What is the expected scale of 0 to 6?
Yeah. So it will be like 45,000 square meter area. The exhibitors will be 582, and the number of new exhibitors are 180 plus. Number of participating countries are 22, and 10 big foreign player names are uh, are there. The top 10 players worldwide who are into metal forming machinery are exhibiting here. This exhibition will give them the customer base in India. So strong participation from the foreign companies during IMTEX. Industrial growth to a large extent is driven by government policies. The new thrust of the government on manufacturing and also now on AI, robotics, and the policies which are formed in that direction will drive the industrial growth. Currently, globally, the industry is not doing so well, particularly manufacturing. I showed you the figures that globally it is minus 2%, whereas Indian manufacturing is growing double digit, 12 to 15% growth. So it is very interesting and challenging times now. Challenging because the foreign players are looking at India and we have to develop ourselves. We have to be patriotic, we have to develop the country, not only give the market to the outsiders. So this is indeed very crucial, and the government policies will drive it. The way they form the policies will give a direction to make in India more or buy more. So I think our government is keen to develop in India more, and I think they are going in the right direction.
Okay, in the last, what message would you like to speak with through our channels for the viewers?
Uh, my message to all of you will be, please do visit IMTEX Forming to see the exhibition and the technology. I think even the students, they should see what is the manufacturing technology, get motivated, get challenged, get solutions for your problems. And of course, I think all of us should vouch for getting India to the manufacturing base, top of the manufacturing India should be on the top of manufacturing, and all of us should vouch for it. And for doing this, we should also vouch for developing our own Indian companies to be there.
Thank you.